Hey, in this video I'm talking about how to manifest success and why you may not be manifesting success. So basically, why you may not be manifesting success is because you're not being clear enough about what success looks and feels like for you. Okay, so if we just say I want to manifest success, it's not a clear enough order to put in to what we want to manifest. Okay, because it's just saying I want success. But that's not clear enough to be able to create it, because you've got to look at what does success look and feel like for you, because everybody's success is different. Your success might be, having $1 million business with plenty of clients, and someone else's success might be being a great mother. Another person's success could be, I don't know, could be, trying to think, anything. Like, everybody's is so different, okay? And so what I'm saying to you is I want you to journal on today. What does success look and feel like for you, for like in your life? Like, does it look like having $2 million in the bank, all the cars that you want, traveling, a beautiful family, relationship? Like, what does it look like for you? So let me know in the comments, what does success look like for you and what does it feel like for you? I'd love to know. So when you do that, you are giving a clear instruction to the subconscious mind and your goals, like what you are wanting to create, and then you will have an easier time creating it. Can you see how just saying I want success is very different to saying I want $2 million in the bank, I want 10 clients on the books a week, I want a brand new 4-wheel drive, I want a caravan, I want a home that I own. Like, that is so much different than just saying I want success. Does that make sense? Let me know in the comments if it does. So let's manifest success. Let's get clear on what it looks like and feels like, and let's bring it in your life. If you've liked the video, make sure you like it and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you're notified of upcoming readings that I do. And I'll chat to you all soon. See ya.